Teresa McCartan.
And I'm Brian McCartan.
And we are the owners of Balarissa Area Rug Washing and Repair. We're located in Warwick Township in Bucks County. Between Brian and I, we have collectively 38 years of experience in the industry. All of the work that is done at Balarissa is done here in our Warwick Township shop. All of the rugs that come in are worked on. They are cleaned here and they are repaired here. They don't go anywhere else. So the first step of the rug intake is to pre-inspect the rug for any rug damage. We look at the fringe, we look at the side cords, we inspect for any stains, we put a black light on it to find pet urine or any kind of bio stains, and then we photo document everything so that we know what the rug looked like when it came in and what it looks like when it goes out. So the dusting process is the first process that a rug goes through before it hits the wash floor. Rugs go into this giant tumbler. They essentially tumble around, knocking out all of the dust and the dry particulate matter from the rugs. All of that debris and dust that you see on the floor is pet dander, some of the wool shedding, and a lot of dry particulate dirt and other matter. And getting all that out of the rug actually makes the rugs look 1,000 times better before they're even washed. After the duster, it heads to the wash floor. If it has pet urine damage, it goes into the marinator where it goes into a decontamination bath, and then onto the floor where it is washed with agitation. And then once the rug is thoroughly rinsed and all of the soap is out of it, we put it into the centrifuge. The centrifuge spins at a high rate of speed, drawing out as much of the water as possible, making it a little bit lighter to handle. And then once we have the rug as dry as we can get it from the centrifuge, it goes onto the floor, we groom it, and then it is hung to dry. At this point, if any rug need repair, they go into the repair shop where we take care of all of the noted repairs that the customer has requested. Customers with very valuable rugs want to know that their rugs are in good hands and where their rug is at all times.